Hey guys, it's Julie of Hanging with the Hyatts. This is our model number. We have a Vengeance Rogue 371A13. Last year I noticed a nasty smell coming from our freshwater tank. So I soaked up 2.5 gallons of bleach through the same line that I put my pink stuff in there to winterize it in the fall. And I hooked up the water hose and put in about 5 gallons of water into my fresh tank. And then I've run it through all of my water systems, and I've let it sit all night. And I'm getting ready to drain it out. And I've looked this up. I guess you're supposed to do this like once a year to sanitize all your water lines. So that's what I'm going to do. Hopefully the funky smell will be gone this year. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the trails. I'm draining all the bleach water out of all my tanks. Don't forget your fresh water tanks. I've got 2 of them. And then I'm going to fill it back up with just fresh water and rinse everything out real good. You don't want to leave that bleach sitting on your seals and stuff.